The funny thing about programming is
See these statements, X equals something, Y equals something, Y equals X.
the very basics are not often made explicit, which is actually what drives everybody away from basically any discipline, but programming is just another one. Like even a simpler version of the equal sign that is in mathematics, equals is not assignment. Basically every single programming language with just a few handful of exceptions, equals is assignment. And you have some other operator for equality. Everyone kind of knows it once you started doing it, but like you need to say that explicitly, or you need to realize it like yourself. Otherwise you might be stuck for, you said, like half a semester. That's one of the trickiest things to get for programmers, that there's a memory and the variables are pointing to a particular thing in memory.
The fact that still hadn't figured out in their heads when you say Y equals X what that meant tells you it's actually